Today I'm going to show you how to make the most bodacious, cheesiest grilled cheese you've ever tasted. Okay, I'm going to take some semi-melted butter and I'm going to add 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese to that. That's what I'm going to put on the outside of my bread. I'm going to lay that down on this griddle. And we're going to lay a nice big piece of Monterey Jack. Let's use some American too. That's already started melting. And then you add some really yummy mozzarella. Now on the inside of this, we're going to add some mayonnaise. And then once again on the outside, we'll add that butter and Parmesan cheese. So you got cheese on the inside and you got cheese on the outside. Let's check it. Almost. Don't let it get too hot now. Gently roll it over. See how pretty that is? Alright, now look at this. We're going to plate it, and I want to show you. You got the most bodacious grilled cheese you've ever tasted. Ouch! Come back for some more recipes with Cooking with Grandma.